Getting the dreaded zinput1_3.dll missing error when trying to launch your game? Don't panic. Here's the fix that actually works. This error usually means your PC is missing some important DirectX files that games need to run properly. Open Google and type DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Click the official Microsoft link. Download and install it. This will restore all the missing DirectX files, including xinput1_3.dll. Once installed, restart your PC and try running your game again. The error should now be gone. And that's it. Your game should launch without any more DLL errors. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes.